Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elgato Stream Deck with Windows drivers, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Elgato Stream Deck is unboxed and all components are present. Connect the Stream Deck to your Windows computer using the provided USB cable. Wait for Windows to recognize the device. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Elgato official website. Locate the support section on the home page. In the support section, search for the Stream Deck. Select the Stream Deck model that you own from the available options. Download the latest version of the Stream Deck software for Windows. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Stream Deck application. The application should automatically detect your Stream Deck. If prompted, allow any necessary permissions for the Stream Deck software. Once the software is open, you will see a blank profile on the Stream Deck interface. Start customizing your Stream Deck by dragging and dropping key functions from the right panel to the keys on the left. You can rename keys, assign specific actions, or change icons to suit your needs. Once your setup is complete, test each key to ensure they perform the intended actions. If you need to make changes, simply return to the Stream Deck application to adjust your layout and settings. After finishing your configuration, your Elgato Stream Deck is ready for use with your favorite applications and streaming software. Remember to periodically check the Elgato website for software updates to keep your Stream Deck functioning optimally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.